Do you want to look attractive and boost your confidence throughout the school day? Well, we're going to share beauty hacks to stay fresh and look beautiful even on those cold school days. Step 1. Oral hygiene. Brushing and flossing regularly can help keep your teeth clean and healthy. Using a tongue scraper can also reduce bad breath, making you more appealing to others. Use a mouthwash to keep your mouth clean and fresh throughout the day. We also recommend buying a high-quality electric toothbrush and using a normal brush to clean your lips too. Step 2. Winter hand care. Don't neglect your hands during the winter. Use a rich and hydrating hand cream regularly to keep your hands soft and smooth. When going outdoors, remember to wear gloves to protect your hands from the chilly and dry air. Step 3. Stay hydrated. Hydration is critical to a healthy complexion. Drinking plenty of water year-round maintains your skin's moisture levels and reduces puffiness and dark circles under the eyes. However, it's especially vital in winter when the cold, dry air can reduce your skin's natural moisture. Step 4. Skincare. An effective skincare consists of 3 primary steps: cleansing, exfoliating, and moisturizing. Cleansing rids your skin of impurities, exfoliating removes dead skin cells, and moisturizing keeps your skin hydrated and radiant. Also, try not to touch your face with dirty hands too much as it can potentially lead to an outbreak of acne. Step 5. Hair care. In the winter, consider washing it less often to prevent dryness and maintain hydration. Incorporating occasional oil treatments can keep your locks looking fabulous and healthy. Also, use heat protection spray when blow-drying to maintain perfect hair health and texture. Step 6. Wrinkled clothes. Wearing wrinkled clothes at school can create a lazy appearance, potentially affecting your self-confidence and how others perceive you. To prevent wrinkles, consider investing in a steamer or iron to smooth out your garments before wearing them, or hang your clothes properly after laundering to allow them to air dry without creases. Step 7. Adding shimmering body lotion. To achieve a radiant winter glow, try using a shimmering body lotion or body oil with subtle glitter. Apply it strategically to your shoulders, collarbone, and legs for an ethereal and festive effect. Step 8. Perfume. Wearing a pleasant, subtle fragrance to school can leave a positive impression on those around you. However, it's important to caution against spraying too much perfume, as an overpowering scent can be distracting and even cause discomfort to others nearby, so a light application is recommended. Overall, by implementing these specific methods, you can stay fresh and pretty at school no matter the weather. Enjoy the process and embrace the winter season with confidence and self-love. As always, stay beautiful.